In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete chats on WhatsApp Web. Whether you want to tidy up your chat list, free up some space, or just keep things organized, knowing how to delete chats can be quite handy. WhatsApp Web is a convenient way to use your favorite messaging service on your computer, mirroring your chat on the phone seamlessly. So let's dive into the steps to delete a chat on WhatsApp Web. To begin with, make sure you've already opened WhatsApp Web on your browser by using the QR code feature on your phone's WhatsApp. If you haven't done so yet, just pop open WhatsApp on your phone, go to the settings menu and select WhatsApp Web. It will allow you to scan a QR code that appears on web.whatsapp.com. Once you're logged in, you're ready to go. Now, you're probably seeing your list of chats on the left side of the screen. Take a moment to find the chat you'd like to delete. Once you've pinpointed the chat on the left, look for a small downward arrow symbol. It's pretty subtle, sitting just beside the right side of the chat preview. This little arrow is your gateway to a variety of chat options. When you hover over it, a tiny drop-down menu should appear. Give it a click, and it'll present you with a handful of different choices. You'll see options like Archive Chat, Mute Notifications, and Delete Chat. For our purposes today, select Delete Chat. After you click this option, WhatsApp will ask you to confirm if you're sure you want to delete the chat. This step is a safety feature, preventing any accidental deletions that you might regret later. Carefully consider this prompt, and if you're sure you want to go ahead with the deletion, confirm your decision. Once confirmed, the chat will disappear from your chat list. It's important to mention that deleting a chat from WhatsApp Web won't delete it from your phone unless you delete it there as well. This means you can manage chats separately on both platforms, providing a layer of control over your messaging experience. And there you have it. You've successfully managed to delete a chat on WhatsApp Web. This simple task helps keep your chat list neat and ensures that any conversations you no longer want on your desktop are removed discreetly and effectively. Remember that organizing your chat list not only helps with better navigation, but may also help you focus on the conversations that matter the most. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you're looking for more tips and tricks on using WhatsApp Web or other digital tools, be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for tuning in and have a great day.